Good morning, dear students. This is the first video of Geography, Chapter 4. Chapter name is Agriculture, and this video is for the student of Standard 8. Students, as you can see here, chapter name is Agriculture. So here in this video, we will discuss about few topics related to agriculture. First, we will understand the meaning of agriculture, from which word it derives from. Then after that, we will just see the agriculture, different types of agriculture. We will also read the methods, the steps required in the agriculture. So let's begin. As you can see here that agriculture is a primary activity and is closely related to the natural environment. Whenever we talk about the agriculture, never forget that it is a primary activity. Why it is a primary activity? Because in primary activity we use the raw material, natural raw material, as well as whatever our finished goods are coming, that also remains natural. So you can apply your mind that in agriculture what we used to do, we used to sow the seed, that is natural, and whatever plants we get after harvesting, so that is also natural. So we used to deal with the natural environment, that's why it is also known as primary activity. Agriculture is also called farming or husbandry. Farming means growing crops and husbandry means rearing animals. Many where you will see that farmers are rearing animals, okay, like goats are there, sheep are there. In Rajasthan area, camels are there, yaks are there. So these are the, then PC culture also coming. So this way you can understand that agriculture is also called farming or husbandry. There also, if animal rearing you will just see, then animal rearing is also coming in the primary activity only, okay, because that is living. The term agriculture has been derived from the Latin word that is ager, meaning field, and cultura, meaning cultivation. So from which word it derives from? That is the Latin word ager, means field, and cultura means cultivation. That only we are doing on a field, we are doing the cultivation. So this is the meaning of agriculture. If we talk about the history of agriculture, then you can see here Indian agriculture began by 9000 BC as a result of early cultivation of plants. Okay, so if you recall the history of Indus Valley civilization, so at that time also people were aware how to do the cultivation and they were skilled in doing the cultivation of some crops. Okay, double monsoon leads to harvest in a year. As you read already, as you know that we have the advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. Okay, so both of the time people used to sow the crops. The Grow More Food Campaign 1940s and the Integrated Production Program 1950s focused on food and cash crops supply respectively. Okay, so food crops and cash crops are those crops which is generally for the commercial purposes, which is for the selling purposes, like sugar cane, tea, coffee. Okay, so these are the cash crops, rubber. And when we talk about the food crops, then major crops like rice, maize, wheat, pulses, these are coming in our food crops. So many campaign also started by the government to help the farmer or to grow more food crops as well as cash crops for supply. You read about 1960s, late 1960s Green Revolution. Green Revolution was also one large agitation, large movement of the farmer, or government supported the farmer by providing the HYV seeds in the Green Revolution to grow more. If we talk about our India, so in our country, and not in our country only students, in Russia also 85% population are engaged in the agriculture. So 2/3 of Indian population is engaged in agricultural activities. Food grains are the most important agricultural products made in India. Okay, India exports agro products like tea, coffee, spices, etc. So these are the agro products which is for the commercial purposes. So generally tea and coffee coming in the beverages crops. Spices etc. are required. Spices are required in those regions which lie in the cold region. These are the basic steps students required for agriculture. Okay, basic steps of agricultural practices. So first, before doing the cultivation, you will have to prepare your field. Okay, then farmer used to sow the seed. After that, he or she adds the manure and fertilizer. Then they irrigate the field by providing the water. Then they used to take the protection measures like spreading of pesticides, insecticides, weedicides. After that, they used to harvest the product when it ripe. Next, very important responsibility come on to the shoulder of farmer, that is the storage, how to store the grains whatever they harvested. Then after that, marketing starts. Farmers used to take the products to the market. So one by one, just see. This is the process of plowing or tilling and leveling the field. You can see early method was the use of animal. Nowadays also many poor people are just, or poor farmer are using the animals. Okay, many farmers are using the tractors also, because now the technology in the farming sector advanced. Okay, so first step was there, preparing of the soil. Then farmers used to sow the seed. You can see how they are sowing the seed into the farm. Next is adding manure and fertilizer. Okay, manure means what? The fertilizer, one type of fertilizer manure is also. But in manure, what is, how manure are just made? By using the animal dungs, okay, or natural things. But when we talk about the fertilizer, it completely made in company or factories, okay, using chemical also. Next process is irrigation, to facilitate the water to the field, that is the process of irrigation. So various methods are there to bring the water to the field by constructing the canal, okay, small canals, by using the sprinkler. You can see the second image, that is the sprinkler. Then after that, farmers can use the drip irrigation method also. In tribal areas, they are using the bamboo drip irrigation. It means they use the bamboo as a pipe, okay, to circulate the water from one place to another. Next is plant protection. So pests monitoring required. For that purpose, pesticides licensing agencies are there, which used to just give the license for selling the pesticide. Disease monitoring is required. Weed monitoring is required. You can see some insects on the plant, students, over here. So they are very much dangerous for the plant's growth. Okay, plant quarantine is required. Quarantine word is very common these days. Okay, so because proper distance is required in between two plants, as well as separation from the weeds also required. Harvesting, you can see how women are just carrying the harvested grains, okay, or crops. So early tool was this simple tool, okay, grass cutter. Now how the modern crops are just not the modern crops, how the modern machines are just taking less time to harvest the field. These machines are used in developed country, that is the America, okay, Britain and other countries where big ranches are there, big farms are there, and population is less. So in our country there is no population problem, so we can get easy labor. But in other countries they have the problem of population, so they used to use such type of big machine which can just ease the work. Storage. In storage especially, you have to focus about the moisture, because due to more moisture many a time food used to spoil. Okay, so that moisture must checked by the farmers before keeping the grains in the storage. Then finally our products, farmers grains, reach to the market. Okay, sometime government used to purchase, sometime directly farmers used to sell in the market. So it is agriculture, simply students, you have to add that agriculture Then agriculture, as I told, that it is a vast field, and here other activities are also required. Other activities are also involved: sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture, and horticulture. So you just make a note that what is the meaning of sericulture, and in sericulture what farmers used to do: pisciculture, viticulture, and horticulture. So this is one activity which is for you. Thank you for watching, students. Thank you very much.